Hello everyone, welcome to a quick demo of Coral Sentinel, a cross-stack security platform powered by Coral SQL. The idea is to have a unified platform to capture and perform actions of all the vulnerabilities that we get during our project creation or in the repos updations. The tools that are supported are OSV, GitHub, Jira, Sentry, and Grafana with a future scope of adding more sources to it. Now, this Coral Sentinel works on three basic principles: detection, recommendation, and action. So without any further delay, let's just quickly go over the dashboard, how it looks like. Now on the left side, you can see the data sources. At this point, we have 5 sources, out of which 4 are connected. So that's why it is showing 4 out of 5. Now here, what it does is it gives you a simple dashboard where it will give you all the CVEs found across the platforms. So at this point, in total, it basically detected 19 CVEs, which are listed here, right? So now at this point, the status is untracked because these CVEs are there, but we have not performed any action on it. Now here I have different options like focus, where it will just focus on the Django package. Ask AI mode is there. If I click on Ask AI, what it will do is it will give me a query console where I can directly provide it in a natural language what needs to be performed. So let's just quickly click on execute and see what it does. So once this query is executed, it will give us an analysis of what should be performed, and then it will give you a quick summary and the recommended actions. So now if you see here, it is giving us this complete list of recommended actions: create Jira, annotate Grafana timeline, generate security posture. If we go to actions tab, it is giving me this list, right? So here I have the option to approve or dismiss. So let's say if this one I click on approve, so it will create a ticket for me in Jira. I do not have to go and create it manually. That one, it has automatically created this ticket for me, added the description, title, vulnerability details, references, and the recommendation actions. If I go back to detection, what it does also is detect the PRs related to security, and then it will add up here, right? So and then if I go to timeline, so it will give me the timeline of what has happened. So there was Sentry issue, so it has identifies those, and then Jira tickets that we created and the previous ones as well. So in this way, it is a unified platform to do all the detections, recommendations, and the actions to be made on it. So I hope you enjoyed this simple demo. Look into it. Thank you.